Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Duolingo course. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to know the correct steps to ensure you successfully remove the language you no longer wish to study. We'll focus on using the Duolingo website, which offers the most comprehensive options for managing your learning path. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Duolingo website, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings. On the Settings page, you'll see a menu on the left side. Click on Manage Courses to proceed. Now that you're on the Manage Courses page, you'll see a clear list of all the language courses currently associated with your account. Carefully identify the course you intend to remove. Next to that course, you'll find a Remove button. Click this button, and a confirmation window will appear. Read the warning carefully, then click Remove again to permanently delete the course. Before you finalize the deletion, please remember a few crucial points. Removing a course is a permanent action. All your hard-earned progress and experience points for that language will be completely erased and cannot be recovered. Also, Duolingo requires you to have at least one active language, so you cannot delete your very last course. However, you can always re-add any language later if you wish to begin anew.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.